Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock rims black in GTA. First, drive your chosen vehicle to any Los Santos Customs or similar auto shop. Once inside, navigate to the Wheels menu, then select Stock Wheels. From there, you'll find the color option. Choose black to instantly transform your vehicle's appearance. It's a quick and easy way to give your ride a more aggressive or stealthy look without needing special mods. Getting those stock rims black is super straightforward. After entering Los Santos Customs, head straight to the Wheels section. You'll see various categories, but for stock rims, you need to specifically select Stock Wheels. This ensures you're modifying the original set. Then, simply scroll through the color palette until you find black. A single click will apply the new color, giving your vehicle a fresh, custom look in seconds. Black stock rims offer a fantastic base for further customization. Try pairing them with a matte black body paint for a truly stealthy aesthetic, or contrast them with a vibrant primary color for a bold statement. Don't forget to explore tire enhancements like custom tire smoke or bulletproof tires to complete the look. Once you're happy, remember to save your vehicle in your garage so your awesome new design is always ready to roll. Beyond just color, you can further enhance your black stock rims with various accessories. Look into different tire types for improved performance or unique visual flair. If you ever want to change things up, remember there are many aftermarket rim styles available that can drastically alter your vehicle's profile. For more great tips, and to find some amazing deals, including that link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to check out the description below this video. Your ride will thank you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.